If you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for ways to get the girl of your dreams to like you. Don't worry, you're not alone. We've all been there, and we know how frustrating and confusing it can be to navigate the complex world of dating and relationships. That's why in this video, we're going to share with you 10 proven tips on how to get a girl to like you. These tips are based on scientific studies, real-life experiences, and expert advice from dating coaches and psychologists. So, whether you're a shy introvert, a confident extrovert, or somewhere in between, these strategies will help you improve your dating game and increase your chances of success. Great to have you and welcome on the Solvi, the place where find the solution of the any problems. Please don't forget to subscribe. Tip number 1. Build confidence. Confidence is key when it comes to attracting women. Women are naturally drawn to men who are confident, assertive, and self-assured. So, if you want to get a girl to like you, the first thing you need to do is work on building your confidence. There are many ways to build confidence, including working on your posture, practicing positive self-talk, and stepping outside your comfort zone. The more confident you feel, the more attractive you'll be to women. Tip number 2. Improve your body language. Your body language says a lot about you, even before you say a word. To get a girl to like you, you need to make sure your body language is sending the right signals. Some tips for improving your body language include standing up straight, maintaining eye contact, and mirroring the other person's movements. By using open and confident body language, you'll come across as more attractive and approachable. Tip number 3. Show genuine interest. One of the most attractive qualities a man can have is genuine interest in the woman he's talking to. When you show a woman that you're genuinely interested in her thoughts, feelings, and experiences, she'll be more likely to open up to you and feel a connection. To show genuine interest, ask open-ended questions, listen actively, and respond thoughtfully to what she says. Avoid interrupting or talking too much about yourself, as this can come across as self-centered and unattractive. Tip number 4. Create a memorable first impression. First impressions are crucial when it comes to attracting women. To get a girl to like you, you need to make sure you're putting your best foot forward from the very beginning. Some tips for creating a memorable first impression include dressing well, maintaining good hygiene, and being on time. You should also make an effort to be friendly, engaging, and confident in your interactions. Tip number 5. Be authentic. Authenticity is a key ingredient in any successful relationship. To get a girl to like you, you need to be true to yourself and show her who you really are. Avoid pretending to be someone you're not or putting on a false persona to impress her. Instead, be honest, vulnerable, and authentic in your interactions. This will help you build trust and intimacy with her over time. Tip number 6. Be a good listener. Being a good listener is an essential skill for attracting women. When you listen actively and attentively to a woman, you're showing her that you value her thoughts and feelings. To be a good listener, make sure you're fully present in the conversation, avoid interrupting, and ask follow-up questions. You should also show empathy and understanding when she shares something personal or emotional. Tip number 7. Use humor. Humor is a powerful tool for attracting women. When you make a woman laugh, you're showing her that you have a fun and playful side. To use humor effectively, avoid offensive or inappropriate jokes and focus on light-hearted, positive humor. You can also use self-deprecating humor to show your humility and vulnerability. Tip number 8. Show confidence in your actions. Actions speak louder than words, and when it comes to attracting women, confidence in your actions can be a major turn-on. This means taking the initiative, making decisions, and being assertive when necessary. For example, if you're planning a date, take the lead and suggest a specific activity or location. If you're in a group setting, take charge and organize the conversation or activity. By showing confidence in your actions, you'll come across as more attractive and assertive. Tip number 9. Be respectful. Respect is a fundamental aspect of any healthy relationship. To get a girl to like you, You need to show her that you respect her boundaries, opinions, and feelings. This means avoiding pushy or aggressive behavior, listening to her needs and wants, and being mindful of her comfort level. You should also be respectful of her time and availability, and avoid bombarding her with messages or calls. Tip number 10. Be patient. Last but not least, patience is key when it comes to attracting women. Building a connection and establishing a relationship takes time and effort, and you need to be patient and persistent in your pursuit. Avoid rushing things or coming on too strong, as this can be a major turn-off. Instead, take things slow and let the relationship develop naturally. With patience and perseverance, you'll increase your chances of winning over the girl of your dreams. Conclusion. So, there you have it, 10 proven tips on how to get a girl to like you. Remember, building a connection and establishing a relationship takes time and effort, but by following these strategies, you'll improve your chances of success. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more dating tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and good luck in your pursuit of love.